Alright, some more new cassettes have arrived today. Let's have a look at them. Let's have a look what we got. Nicely packed. Very nicely packed indeed. Yeah, here we go. Now, who wouldn't be keen to get into these? Let's have a look at this one first. Hitachi, looks like from the 70s. I can't say that I've seen one of these before. Couple of TEAK CDXs, BASF, SONY Hi-Fi, TEAK from 89. This is similar to what I looked at before, and not exactly the same but similar. Philips CD Plus, BASF from 1988. This should be a good cassette. TEAK ADs from 89. I've never used these before. Well, he got a better bargain than me. $2, wow. And I guess everyone had one of these at one stage. Green Corp mastering cassette. These are made in Australia, or were. Douglas Hi-Fi cassette. These are from about 1984 or around there. Philips FS. This would be 90s stuff. And a BASF, that's wrapped. It's got a clear wrapper. BASF Ferro Power. This would be from the 90s as well. Just, yeah, different shell. Same shell, different graphics on it compared to say that one. Same ribbed shell but different graphics. Awesome. Yeah, $2. I wish I paid $2 for them. Why don't I find bargains like that? And yeah, I'll see which one I want to unwrap first, and we'll go through them separately at a different stage. Awesome, very happy. That's an interesting one. I suppose that one was 50 cents. Awesome, thanks for watching.